Hello friends, you welcome to my complete Java course. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn abstract class in Java. So let's start. Abstract class in Java. What is abstract class in Java? So an abstract class must be declared with an abstract keywords. So before the defining a abstract class, use a keyword abstract. Like in the normally we define a class public, then class keyword, then the class name. But if you define abstract class, then you need to use abstract keyword. Number two, it cannot be instantiated. Means you cannot create the object for the abstract class. Next one is it can have abstract and non-abstract method. Means in the abstraction class you have both the methods, means without body method or with the body method. Number fourth is it can have constructors and static method also. In the abstract class you can define the constructor and you can define the static method. Number 5, it can have final methods which will force the subclass not to change the body of the method. So it means we can define a final method in the abstract class as well. Example of abstract class. This is the syntax for the abstract class: abstract, then class, and then the class name. Example of abstract method: abstract, void, and the method name. No method body and abstract. So the abstract method is called with the keyword abstract and there is no body. After defining the name of a method, parenthesis and just use the semicolon. So now we will look example of the abstract class. Suppose we define a class car as an abstract class. In this abstract class we define a abstract method. Abstract method means no body method. So we define a method public abstract void color. And now the subclass is responsible for defining the body for the color method. So whatever class will extend this car class, that class is responsible for the providing body for that color method, and every subclass can give the body of the color method in different way, or it can provide its own implementation. Every subclass can provide the own implementation for the abstract method. Like red car. Red car extend the car. So now red car is need to be implement for the color method and give the body for the color method. So the red car give the body color method as a red color car. In the same way, if another class like a blue car extend the car, it also be give the body for the abstract method color, and it can give the body according to its way. Means blue color class can give the different body for the color method, red car can give the different body for the color method. They can give the same body but they can also give the different body. Now if you create a red car object and call the color method, you will get the red color car, and if you create the object of a blue car, you will get the output as a blue car. Okay, so let's I show you this example on the Eclipse IDE. So now you can see I just copy the code from the slide. So here we define our abstract class car, give the abstract method and two classes red car and blue car is extending the car class and giving the body for the color method in its way. And when we create the object for the red car and call the color method, and create the object for the blue car and call the color method, you will call the blue car color method and red car color method. Once if you run it, you will get the output red color car and blue color car. So basically the abstraction means you define a base class and give the method, just declare a method, and rest leave for the subclass. Whatever the class needs that properties, it can just extend the property, and it can define its own property or own uh, subclass can give its own implementation. Okay, it can be use the parent class abstract method. So this is the basic concept behind the abstract class and abstract method. Abstract keyword cannot be applied on the variable, so you can apply the abstract keyword only the class and method. So friends, this was the all about the abstract class. Okay, so thank you for watching this video lecture, and watch my next video lecture for learning new things in Java.